Welcome back to the kitchen. I'm Busy Dad. Today we're cooking chicken with tomato, garlic, and green beans. Why? Because it's Friday. I'm tired. I'm getting a cold. I don't want to work too hard for dinner. So this is an easy and delicious Friday meal. Step 1 is take your diced tomatoes, dump them in the blender along with a sprig of thyme, and blend those up. While that's happening, throw your chicken into a saucepan. Lightly saute this both sides until this is cooked through. You want to do this pretty slowly. Don't burn the chicken because we're going to take the chicken out, chop it up, and then use the fat that's released to cook everything else into a great sauce. Step 3, chop up these green beans and garlic. Easy to peel. Smash them. Take off the skin. These green beans, I'm going to cut these into little pieces so they kind of blend in with the sauce. Oh, and almost forgot, mushrooms. Okay, so we've got everything in a pot here. Our beans, our mushrooms, our garlic, big pinch of salt, and a hit of olive oil. Looks great already. We need mushrooms. Sorry, no, we need tomatoes. Here they come. And then we're just going to cover this and let it cook until it looks done. Look at this. Doesn't this look amazing? It's not quite done, but I can't wait to taste it and see what it tastes like. This just looks like the most amazing pizza sauce, except you could put it on noodles, spaghetti, rice maybe. Heck, even dump it on your pizza if that's what you're up to. Alright, let's give this a taste. Pretty good. Needs a little shape more salt, so we'll do that in a second. That's it for today. Hope you like this. If you're a new subscriber, give me a thumbs up. If you're a new viewer, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. That way you'll get the next video when I post it. Enjoy your dinner, and join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.